Welcome to the official video overview for the IPO of Sagility India Limited. We provide technology-enabled business solutions and services to clients in the US healthcare industry. We are a pure-play healthcare-focused services provider, and our clients include payers, US health insurance companies which finance and reimburse the cost of health services, and providers, primarily hospitals, physicians, and diagnostic and medical devices companies. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are reviewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers, BRLMs and Sagility India Limited that 1. You are the intended recipient of this video and 2. You are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated October 29, 2024 RHP and the price band advertisement before taking an investment decision on the offer. Sagility India Limited IPO consists of an offer for sale of up to 702,199,262 equity shares by Sagility BV, promoter selling shareholder, of face value of 10 rupees each, with a reservation of up to 1,900,000 equity shares for subscription by eligible employees. The offer for sale involves sale of equity shares held by Sagility BV, and the proceeds of the offer will not be received by the company. The anchor investor bidding date will be on Monday, November 4, 2024. The offer will open on November 5, 2024 Tuesday and close on November 7, 2024 Thursday. Incorporated on July 28, 2021 with its registered office in Bengaluru, India. As per the industry report titled Everest Group's Healthcare Industry Overview dated September 30, 2024, exclusively prepared by Everest Business Advisory India Private Limited and commissioned and paid for by Sagility India Limited, exclusively in connection with the offer, they ranked as a leader in Everest Group's Healthcare Payer Operation Peak Matrix Assessment 2023. They support the core business operations of both payer and provider clients. Their services to payers encompass the entire spectrum of their operations, including core benefits administration functions and clinical services. These services include claims management, payment integrity, clinical management, and other services. To providers, they provide revenue cycle management services, which help them manage their billings and claim the cost of treatment from payers. Additionally, they also provide some of the services that they provide to payers to pharmacy benefit managers (PBMs) that manage prescription drugs for members, that is insured persons under health insurance plans. Investors should note the following important risks. The healthcare services industry is highly competitive, and if we are unable to compete effectively, it may adversely affect our business, financial condition, and results of operations. Our business is solely focused on the US healthcare industry and may be adversely affected by factors affecting the US healthcare industry, including a decline in the growth of the US healthcare industry, reduction in outsourcing, and other trends. We have, in the 12 months preceding the date of this red herring prospectus, issued equity shares at a price which may be significantly lower than the offer price. Goodwill and other intangible assets are our largest assets. Any impairment to our goodwill or other intangible assets may adversely affect our reputation and financial condition. One of our independent directors has received summons in relation to an ongoing investigation by SEBI of Linde India Limited, and the matter is currently pending. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 40 of the RHP and price band advertisement for further information. Sagility India Limited is promoted by Sagility BV and Sagility Holdings BV. Sagility BV holds 100% of the company. 100% of the company is held by the promoter selling shareholder, who is selling up to 702,199,262 equity shares. The board of directors of the company consists of 8 directors, 5 of which are independent directors. Sagility India Limited revenues from operations stood at 47,535.57 million rupees, 11,160.93 million rupees, and 12,233.28 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 23.48%, 24.65%, and 17.85% in fiscal 2024 and quarters ended June 2023 and June 2024 respectively. The company registered a PAT of approximately 5,895.58 million rupees, 1,424.11 million rupees, and 1,446.92 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 12.4%, 12.76%, and 11.83% in fiscal 2024 and quarters ended June 2023 and June 2024 respectively. Investors are advised to read the RHP including pages beginning 77, 164, 247 and 355 for further information on financials and related information of Sagility India Limited. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving our company, subsidiaries and directors. Any adverse decision in such proceedings may adversely affect our business, financial condition and results of operations. Please read outstanding litigations and material developments beginning on page 397 of the RHP. The objects of the offer are to carry out the offer for sale of up to 702,199,262 equity shares held by Sagility BV and to achieve the benefits of listing the equity shares on the stock exchanges. The company will not receive any proceeds from the offer. For further details of the offer, see the offer beginning on page 75 of the RHP. The price band for the IPO is 28 rupees to 30 rupees per equity share, and there is a discount of 2 rupees per equity share for the employee reservation portion. The minimum bid lot is 500 equity shares. Please read basis for offer price section beginning on page 109 of the RHP and the price band advertisement for further information. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the net offer to QIBs, not more than 15% to non-institutional investors, and not more than 10% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE and NSE. ICICI Securities Limited, IIFL Securities Limited, Jefferies India Private Limited, and JP Morgan India Private Limited are the book running lead managers. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest in any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the red herring prospectus dated October 29, 2024 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking an investment decision in the offer. Potential investors should rely on the RHP to be filed with the Registrar of Companies for making any investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the red herring prospectus dated October 29, 2024, the price band advertisement and any addendums corrigendums thereto for making an investment decision on the offer.